Welcome to a journey through the world's vegetation zones, the distinct regions on Earth with a particular combination of plants, soil and weather patterns. If you imagine Earth as a grand tapestry, these vegetation zones are its vibrant threads, each unique yet interwoven to create the stunning fabric of our planet's ecosystems. Vegetation zones, or biomes, are crucial to understanding how nature organizes itself. They are based on a variety of factors, including climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight and rainfall an area receives, which in turn dictates the types of plants that can thrive there. From the lush expanses of forests, home to countless of deciduous and evergreen trees, to the astonishing beauty of tundras, marked by cold temperatures and limited plant life. From the vast open grasslands, each with its unique climate and vegetation, to the arid deserts with their specialized plant adaptations. And let's not forget the ice sheets, devoid of vegetation but filled with useful information about Earth's atmospheric changes. Each of these zones plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. Now, let's embark on our journey, starting with the largest country in the world, Russia. Russia, spanning 11 time zones, boasts a wide variety of vegetation zones. With over 17 million square kilometers, this is a land where nature unfolds a grand display of diversity, from the frozen expanses of the north to the open grasslands of the south. We start our journey in the northernmost region of Russia, the tundra. This vegetation zone is known for its extreme, cold and long, harsh winters. Despite these challenging conditions, the tundra is home to a variety of hardy plants. Mosses, lichens and dwarf shrubs carpet the ground, while the summer sun brings a brief but vibrant burst of wildflowers. The tundra is a place of stark beauty, where life has adapted to succeed in the harshest conditions. Moving south, we come to the taiga, also known as the boreal forest. This is the largest vegetation zone in Russia, a seemingly endless expanse of coniferous trees. The taiga is characterized by its cold, long winters and short, wet summers. Here, spruce, fir and pine trees dominate the landscape. Their needle-like leaves adapted to withstand the cold temperatures and heavy snowfall. The understory is a mix of mosses, ferns and berry-bearing shrubs, providing a rich habitat for a variety of wildlife. Finally, we arrive at the steppe, the grasslands that stretch across southern Russia. These vast open plains are characterized by their hot, dry summers and cold winters. The vegetation here is predominantly grasses and shrubs, adapted to survive in the arid conditions. This is a land of sweeping vistas and dramatic skies, where the endless grasslands sway in the wind and burst into a riot of colors with the changing seasons. From the frozen tundra to the fertile steppe, Russia is a fascinating study in vegetation diversity. Each zone, with its unique flora and climate, paints a vivid picture of the adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. As we journey through these diverse landscapes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the astounding variety of nature's tapestry. Next, we head west to Canada, the second largest country, known for its expansive forests and tundra regions. With almost 10 million square kilometers, Canada is a land of contrasts. Its vegetation zones are as diverse as they are expansive, each with their own unique characteristics and charm. We start with the vast boreal forest, a green expanse that spans much of the country. This is one of the world's largest ecosystems, and it's often referred to as Canada's Green Belt. Here, coniferous trees like spruce, fir, and pine dominate the landscape, providing a home for a range of wildlife. The soil is typically acidic and nutrient poor, but the resilience of the boreal forest is truly awe-inspiring, with its plants and trees adapted to withstand the harsh winters and short, intense summers. As we venture north, the boreal forest gradually gives way to the tundra. This is a world where the ground is perpetually frozen, known as permafrost, allowing only the hardiest of plants to survive. Lichens, mosses and dwarf shrubs dot the seemingly barren landscape, their presence a testament to nature's tenacity. This cold, rocky terrain may appear inhospitable, but it supports a diverse array of wildlife, from Arctic foxes to musk oxen. On the country's Pacific coast, we find a different scene altogether: the temperate rainforests. Often shrouded in mist, these lush forests are a riot of green, with towering trees like the Sitka spruce and western red cedar reaching for the skies. The climate here is mild and moist, creating an environment that supports a rich biodiversity. It's a place of moss-draped trees, fern-filled understories, and a cacophony of bird calls echoing through the trees. Each of these vegetation zones, from the boreal forest and tundra to the temperate rainforest, demonstrate the adaptability and resilience of nature in the face of varying climate conditions. They showcase the diverse plant life that calls Canada home, each uniquely adapted to their environment, each playing a crucial role in the country's ecosystem. Canada's vegetation zones are a testament to the country's vast size and geographical diversity. Finally, we travel south to the United States of America, with its almost 9.9 million square kilometers, also a country with a wide range of vegetation zones due to its diverse climates and landscapes. Let's start our journey in the east, home to the temperate deciduous forests. These forests are a symphony of colors, with trees like oak, maple, and hickory that shed their leaves in autumn, creating a vibrant picture of reds, oranges, and yellows. The climate here is moderate, with 4 distinct seasons, allowing for a rich diversity of plant and animal life. Moving westward, we encounter the expansive grasslands of the Midwest, also known as the Great Plains. Here, the land is dominated by tall and short grasses, punctuated by the occasional tree or shrub. This region experiences hot summers and cold winters, with rainfall that's just enough to sustain the grasses but not enough for forests to thrive. Further west, we step into the scorching deserts of the Southwest. Here, the vegetation has adapted to survive in an environment with minimal rainfall and extreme temperatures. Cacti, with their thick skins and water-storing capabilities, are the stars of this region, standing resilient under the blistering sun. Finally, in the Pacific Northwest, we find ourselves amidst lush rainforests. These forests are home to towering evergreens, ferns, and mosses, all thriving in the cool, damp climate. The area is known for its high rainfall, resulting in a green and vibrant landscape teeming with life. From the deciduous forests of the east to the rainforests of the Pacific Northwest, each vegetation zone in the United States has its unique characteristics and appeal. The climate, soil, and weather patterns shape the vegetation, creating diverse habitats for a variety of wildlife. This country showcases an impressive range of vegetation zones, each with its unique ecosystem. As we conclude our journey through these 3 beautiful countries, we are reminded of the diversity and richness of our planet's vegetation zones. We've delved into the verdant forests, expansive grasslands, icy tundra, arid deserts, and barren ice sheets that span Russia, Canada, and the United States of America. Each of these unique biomes, with their distinct plant types, soil, and weather patterns, paints a complex and beautiful picture of our Earth's ecological tapestry. In Russia, we've seen the world's largest forest reserves, from deciduous to evergreen. Canada, the second largest country, presented us with its majestic Arctic tundra and the vibrant biodiversity within its temperate and boreal forests. The United States of America offered a kaleidoscope of vegetation zones, ranging from the sun-kissed deserts of the Southwest to the tropical rainforests of Hawaii and Alaska's alpine tundra. Remember, each vegetation zone, no matter where it is in the world, plays a crucial role in our global ecosystem. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you've learned something new today.